I'm going in the video much first and this video we are going to create a calculator using Python. So I am in Replit. You can use Sublime or VS Code, any other. I am using Replit here. So first I am going to write a print and mini calculator, and then I will come down. Here I will create num1 equal to input int, but not int. I will using float here. In float I will write here input with the bracket, enter num1, duplicate it num2, and here I will give it num2, and then at the end I will come down. Here I will write one more code that is going to be print 1. I will write here 1 4 plus, and then backslash n, one for plus, two for minus, and then backspace and 3 for multiply, and then 4 for divide. Now I will come down, and here I will write a choice equal to int, and then brackets, input, enter the choice in 1 to 4 numbers, and then I will write here what I am going to come here, and I will make here an if, and I will write here choice equal to 1, and then I will write here print num1 plus num2, and then I will write here if choice equal to 2, and then I will write here print num1 minus num2, and then I will write here again elif, and then elif choice equal to, wait, I have to write here 2, and then here 3. So what we have to do, print num1 multiply by num2, and then there will be elif again, and then choice equal to 4. I will write a print num1 divide by num2. So after that I will write a else. You will say y for else. Why I am writing else. I will write a else if any other or anyone write like above than 4. So that will be print by default, like error, and then you have to run it. So there is your full calculator elements. Write the num1 I am going to write, that will be 12, and then enter. num2 will be 34, and then it's showing me 1 4 plus. So I am going to take the number 1. And the answer is 46.0. It's like this we can create a calculator using Python. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I will meet you in the next video with my new friend. So take care and Allah Hafiz.